I'm so excited to be back with you, and I'm especially excited because it's officially Christmas season. Y'all know this is my favorite time of the year, and I feel like I'm bringing back my OG content. I always used to do decorating videos and DIY videos. This year is especially exciting to me because I'm decorating my first ever home, which I feel so blessed able to have this opportunity to be in a home. I don't really like long intros, so I want to keep this short and sweet and share two things with you. Number one is I wanted to make this video to inspire you to decorate your home so cozy for this holiday season. I personally find it so helpful when people link things that I absolutely love and I want to buy in the description. So everything in this video is going to be pretty much shoppable and will be linked below. Number two, I just wanted to invite you guys to posture your heart with me that as we're decorating our home this season and we're doing fun activities and baking cookies and enjoying time with friends and family, let's hold our loved ones close, tell them how much we love them and we appreciate them, and we remember that the real reason for this Christmas season is the birth of Jesus, and it's all about the gospel message of God's love for us. So grab a cup of coffee, tea, or hot cocoa with me, and let's get cozy and get on into this video. So to start off, we're going to work with our TV stand, and if you guys are anything like me, you love the look of a cozy fireplace mantle, but I don't have that, so I wanted to recreate it and make it as cozy as possible. So what I did to achieve this look is I took 3 different types of garland. I love how they all look super realistic, and I layered them and then scattered them to kind of hang off of the side to give this very whimsical look. And then I also added some cute little winter berries on top to give some more texture, and we cannot forget about the stockings. I love some wool knit stockings. I just think that they're so classic, and I found these awesome 3M command hooks off of Amazon, so I used those to be able to hang my stockings. You could totally use stocking holders, but I just love this little hack. I thought it was so simple and easy. And then on the right side of my TV mantle, I hung some beautiful antique bells that I got from Amazon. Absolutely love those, and just did the same method as I did with the stockings. Now you could totally leave the garland plain as is, but I am a sucker for any kind of fairy light, and so I got these awesome fairy lights off of Amazon. They have 8 different settings, but I just love the standard traditional look, and I intertwine those all into my garland, which just gives such a cozy vibe, especially in the evening when we get to turn these on. And then to the left side of the mantle, I added a few Christmas trees that I got from HomeGoods, but you could also find some from Target or honestly anywhere else. And then I added this little peace sign. I got this honestly years ago. It's probably in one of my old DIY videos back from like 2017 or 2018. And last but not least, never underestimate the power of some tapered candles. So I added these to the corner, and my favorite part is that they're battery operated. I love using them and turning them on. There's no mess. Of course, I love real candles, but it's just such an easy little life hack. And overall, I love how this turned out. It's so cozy and inviting. So like I said earlier on in the video, this is my husband and I's first house, and this is our first Christmas tree. So we actually bought our tree last year, and if you want to see how we decorated it and set it up for the first time, go over onto my Instagram and you can watch a cute little reel that I posted there. But I love how it turned out. I think it's so cozy, and I just want to encourage you guys to add some personality into your tree. I know that this one looks very aesthetic and beautiful, but there are some ornaments on here that have a lot of purpose and meaning behind them. A few of these ornaments that I'm showing here are from my sweet grandma that she sent to me before she recently passed away back in October, and then the beautiful beaded garland is also from her, so I feel like I just get to carry her in my heart this Christmas, and I'm extremely thankful for that because my grandma was one of my best friends. So I want to encourage you to decorate your tree how you love, and if you love any of the ornaments on my tree, then be sure to check out Hobby Lobby, Target, HomeGoods, and even Kirkland's. I really love how I styled my coffee table this year. I feel like it's simple, but it really makes a statement, and it did take me quite a bit of time to figure this one out, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. So what I did is I took this ceramic concrete looking vase and then added some juniper greenery sprigs from Target into it, and then I also added a few coffee table books, a red candle because I wanted to bring in a little bit of that traditional Christmas vibe, some jingle bells, and then I found these adorable little houses that I bought from Anthropologie last year, and they're actually candles, but they serve equally as beautiful as decor. Overall, I love how I styled this coffee table, and I feel like this is such an easy thing that you could recreate with Christmas pieces that you already have. Next up, I wanted to share with you guys how I styled my little buffet table, and you can apply all of these ideas to your entry table as well. First up, I started with my bread bowl that I already had on here, and I added some greenery sprigs, which you could just go outside, cut some off of a tree that's in your backyard or in your neighborhood, and then grab some pine cones, which I found in my neighborhood as well. This styling idea is a super simple and affordable way to bring in the holiday spirit to your home, and you could also add a cute little Christmas tree. I love the texture that this one has, and I seriously could not get enough of these beautiful gold antiqued bells off of Amazon, so I purchased another 3 and added them onto my buffet table. And overall, I feel like this setup is so timeless, and it would look perfect on any kind of buffet table you have in your home or even your entryway table. And I feel like this one is a given, but never underestimate the power of some cozy throw blankets and pillows. They truly transform your space and just add that extra cozy vibe that you want for the winter and holiday season. So maybe you have some in a closet somewhere, or if not and you're looking for some ideas, you can shop them down below in the description box. Y'all know I'm a sucker for some throw pillows and cozy blankets, so make sure you just layer on up and watch how your home or your bedroom will be totally transformed. And to the right of my couch, I have this small table which I just styled with some Christmas trees, and then this beautiful chapel that we got from a close family friend that actually lights up with glitter, and it's just so adorable. I had to show you guys. The Christmas season is full of gathering around the table with friends, family, and loved ones and sharing delicious meals together, and so it's important for me to create a welcoming setup. One of my favorite ideas that I did this year was get these little mini wreaths off of Amazon and tie some cute little bows onto them, and I hung those onto the back of our chairs with 3M hooks. As for my table centerpiece, I found this beautiful natural looking wreath, and in the middle of it I added this marble tray. To add a little bit more festivity, I put some branches that I got from Hobby Lobby that are gold glitter, some ornaments, and on top of my marble tray I styled a Christmas tree and 2 adorable reindeer that I purchased from Target this year. I love the height and how everything just really complements each other. And then last but not least, we cannot forget about the tapered candles, so I used some battery powered ones once again. They're just so easy and simple, and I never have to worry about any mess. And overall, I love how this table setting turned out. I want to encourage you to set the table, invite friends and family over, or maybe even someone new in your life and bless them with a meal this holiday season. I really wanted to keep my kitchen cozy and also bring in the festive spirit, so what I did is I added this beautiful nativity scene to my backsplash to remind me every day of the real reason why we celebrate this season. And then on top of my kitchen cabinets, I added 3 different strands of garland, and I also added a couple just different branches in with some pine cones to create this super whimsical look, and I love how it turned out. Last up, the front door is the first impression that guests have of your home, so I wanted to make it super welcoming, and I added this beautiful wreath that I got from Target. I love how natural it looks with the pine cones and then the beautiful velvet ribbon on it. And last up, I added these super adorable mini Christmas trees that are pre-lit. Shout out to my friend for helping me find them. We got them on sale, both of them for $33, which was a steal. And overall, I just love how my home turned out this year. I'm so excited to share some more Christmas videos with you guys this year, so make sure you subscribe if you're new here and join the family. I would love for you to be a part of it. And here's a quick little sneak peek of a fun video that's coming soon where my best friend Gina and I share with you our favorite Christmas cookie recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun sharing some inspiration and tips on how to decorate your home for Christmas this year. I have some really fun and exciting videos planned that are coming up for you guys, so make sure you subscribe if you're new here to join the family. We would love to have you. I want to remind you that your life has value and purpose, and that I'm so thankful for you that you clicked on this video and that you spent some time with me today. I pray that you have a very blessed Merry Christmas season and a Happy New Year. And if you're struggling with anything that you feel like you need to talk to someone, please make sure that you direct message me on Instagram. I'd love to talk with you and just give you some encouragement this year. I love you guys so much. I've had so much fun just spending some time with you today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.